Okay, 2 more boxes with new books. The first one's from Amazon. This one is one you guys asked for, The Keeper of the Lost Cities Flashback by Sharon Messenger. This is book 7 in this series. You guys are loving. So if you haven't read that series, you might be able to get it, but you might have to place a hold. Okay, time for the last box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, Becoming Kareem. This is Growing Up on and Off the Court. This is, it looks like a biography by Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. So those of you who don't know who he is, he's good at basketball. The Summoner's Handbook. This is by Taryn Matheru. The Collectors by Jacqueline West. That is a cool cover. Looks like there's some potions on the cover. Maybe some chemistry. I think they're potions. Wishes. We'll have to see. You can tell me what that one's about. Be Prepared by Vera Brosgol. Another graphic novel. This one looks like it's about camp and maybe the Girl Scouts. Or something like that. Squint by Chad Morris and Shelley Brown. These are some local authors. They wrote Mustaches for Maddie and a whole bunch of other books. So you can see their picture. Maybe you've seen them around. And they are fantastic writers. Their family is so cute. They're adorable. They came a couple years ago, or no, last year, to our literacy night. Gunpowder Girls, The True Story of 3 Civil War Tragedies by Tanya Anderson. This is nonfiction, but it is fairly easy to read and has a lot of interesting information. Forgotten City, Survival Was Just the Beginning by Michael Ford. So it looks like a survival kind of science fiction story. Shadow of the Fox by Julie Kagawa. This book was really good. So if you're into kind of the deeper fantasy, it's not quite deep fantasy, but the stuff with lots of building of the characters, this book has a lot of story. It has kind of an Asian China type feel to it, but these characters, well, you're just gonna have to read it because I could tell you about this book forever. The Dark Descent of Elizabeth Frankenstein by Kirsten White. This was named last night. It's up for one of the best books of the year from Kirkus Books, so you can go vote on those, at least right now. But this one has been one of the favorites this year. The Dark Deep, Ali Condie and Brendan Reichs. Brendan Reichs, I believe, is the son of the lady who wrote, well, the Bone series, the TV show. And Ali Condie, you know from Matched and some of her other books, so you guys like her stuff a lot. Illegal by Ian Colfer and Andrew Donkin. I can't remember if this is our first copy or not. This is an amazing graphic novel. It's done really well. It is about illegal immigration, I believe in, well, it's to Europe, but it's from Ghana, not Kenya, Ghana. Hope Nation, YA authors share personal moments of inspiration. So you have a lot of your favorite authors here, Libba Bray, Ali Carter, Ali Condie, James Dashner, and a bunch of others. Marie Luzin here, Warcross. So some short stories and moments that they were inspired. So it's nonfiction, but it's going to be really good. Lumberjanes, this is book 2. And we've got the rest of the series, but this is a Will Eisner winner. And this is a great graphic novel with some cool pictures too. Lumberjanes, number 10. Just been waiting for those to come in. Louisiana's Way Home by Kate DiCamillo. This is another author you guys have probably read, but this book is really touching and a little bit different than some of her other stuff. Sock Hill Girls by Claire Legrand. I don't know what this one is. Turn Fear into Power. This might be interesting. Looks like it might be a little scary. Crush by Svetlana Chamakova. I hope I said that right. I think this is another graphic novel. So If you like graphic novels, come check this one out. And The Agony House by Cherry Priest. This is the author of I Am Princess X. Oh, that was a pretty good book. People really liked that one. So come check those out at the library. We'll have them ready very shortly. Bye.